guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. We are doing another dupe video, and in today's video we are facing off IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye against Revolution Pro Ultimate Coverage Crease Proof Concealer. If you are interested to see how these two apply, wear, cost, claims to fame, then please keep watching. Alright guys, so we are continuing our dupes series, our April dupes series, and if you're new here, hi, welcome. In April, I do a series for dupes because April Fool's, April dupes. I have purchased all of these products with my own money. None of these videos are sponsored. All my opinions are 100% my own. If you have watched any of my previous videos from years past or this year, I think that it's a good idea to know your dupes because sometimes for people, they need another more affordable option. For others, it's a brand issue. Sometimes it's an ingredients issue. There's a lot of reasons, not just money, for knowing what's out there on the market, what kind of products are similar, what brands are making similar products with each other, because sometimes brands will discontinue things. And then again, sometimes it comes down to just plain old money and that you need to save money and have a more affordable option. So I do a dupe series. I like a good dupe. I know a lot of people have a lot of feelings about dupes. If you're one of those people, or if you have positive feelings or negative feelings, let me know all of that in the comment section below. I'd love to start a conversation. In today's video, we are facing off IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye with the Revolution Pro Ultimate Coverage Crease Proof Concealer. Let's talk a little bit about these products. Bye Bye Under Eye by IT Cosmetics retails for $27. It comes in 48 shades. You can find it at IT Cosmetics online, Ulta, Sephora, and it also comes in an illuminating formula as well. It is full coverage, anti-aging, waterproof concealer. It says anti-aging and skin loving, hydrolyzed collagen, peptides, hyaluronic acid, antioxidants. You get 0.28 fluid ounces or 8.0 milliliters. The Revolution Pro Ultimate Coverage Crease Proof Concealer contains hyaluronic acid, collagen, antioxidants, and peptides. Go figure. This retails for $12. You can find it at Revolution Beauty online, Ulta, and Beauty Bay. There is a $15 difference between the two of them. The packaging, as you can see from their boxes, is not similar whatsoever. This is how IT Cosmetics packaging looks for most of their products, and Revolution Pro is like the high-end line of Revolution Beauty. They have like so many brands within the brand, it's a little confusing. But their Pro line is like gold and Pro. These are the bottles. They look very similar to the outside packaging. Oh, did I tell you how much you get in the Revolution Pro? In the Revolution Pro Ultimate Coverage Crease Proof Concealer, you get 0.41 ounces or 12 grams. So you're actually getting a bit more product in the Revolution Pro concealer. These two concealers are thick with 2 C's. I have used the Bye Bye Under Eye before underneath my eyes, and I honestly have never cared much for it because it is so thick, and I actually get like more creasing. The coverage is really, really nice, but it's just so thick I was never really like into it as a concealer. The Revolution Pro is also very thick. I will put up a couple little clips. I did use it as an eyeshadow base, and I pre-filmed that. I did not film the eye look because I really wanted to use this more as like under eye coverage because that's what it's intended for. But I did use it as an eyeshadow base because I like to use concealer as an eyeshadow base, and usually whatever concealer I'm using on my face, I use as my eyeshadow base. And it is tacky. So it makes like a decent eyeshadow base. It was a little hard to blend out my eyeshadows, my matte eyeshadows, because the actual concealer itself was so unbelievably tacky. I don't know if I have like a good... So that is the IT Cosmetics and that is the Revolution Pro. A little bit goes a long way. It doesn't really give any instructions on how to actually apply these two products. I know that the IT Cosmetics has like a specific concealer, like airbrush concealer brush. I'm going to use these Real Techniques correcting brushes. They're for like color correcting concealers, but I really like to use them just for concealer themselves. And I'm just going to put them on the back of my hand to like warm them up to see if I can get them to be any more tacky. I'm going to use the Revolution Pro concealer on this side, and I'm going to use the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye on this side. Also, I should note the colors that I have, they might not be like perfect matches. I got C2 in the Revolution Pro and light, parentheses, ultra fair in the Bye Bye Under Eye. The Bye Bye Under Eye I got at Marshall's, full disclosure, so they did not have like a huge selection. But the Revolution Pro, in most of the Revolution concealers, I'm a C2, so I just purchased the C2. I'm not really exactly sure if that's my true match. So there might be some color discrepancies today, but we're not really looking for color. We're more looking for coverage and texture. So here is the Revolution Pro side first. I'm going to set that. And I'm setting it with the Pretty Vulgar, the Powder Room Matte About It translucent powder. It's really lightweight, really finely milled. It's a really great setting powder. I'm not baking, I'm just, like I said, gently stippling over that. Alright, great coverage. I did not color correct or anything. Wonderful coverage. It is unbelievably thick, so it is kind of hard to blend it out a little bit, but I did notice a little bit goes a long way. For not having to color correct and it basically covering up all my dark circles, it's setting really nicely. It doesn't look heavy. Really impressed with that. Going in with a clean concealer brush, same one, just different color, with the Bye Bye Under Eye, and going in on the other side. Setting that. So as we can see, again, great coverage, no color correcting. I don't know if you're picking this up on the camera as well as I'm able to see it in person, but I am having like a very strange texture underneath my eye and my skin. The Bye Bye Under Eye is just not sitting very well with my skin, or rather like the foundation that's already on my face. It is reflecting light really well. The Bye Bye Under Eye is a lighter color than the Revolution Pro, so it is reflecting a little bit differently. However, it's not like up close and personal, and I'm being very picky because I have lots of feelings about concealers. I'm just having a hard time, like the texture is not working real well on the Bye Bye Under Eye side for me. And it's kind of like breaking up a little bit. It's hard to like explain. I wonder if I can get like a close-up picture that I can like put up or something. But the Bye Bye Under Eye looks like, have you ever put like glue stick down and then tried to put powder on top of the glue stick? That is what it looks like on my cheek area right here. And I'm not getting that on the Revolution Pro side. Again, both have really good coverage. I did not color correct or anything, and I have unbelievably like dark circles underneath my eyes. So they both win on coverage, but in terms of like the texture of the product laying on the skin, the Bye Bye Under Eye is just like not doing anything for me. And it did not set very well, which is like crazy strange to me because like you think that a concealer would set really well. Also application, I did put them on the back of my hand and then put them on my face. I don't know if you can see. This is the Bye Bye Under Eye and this is the Revolution Pro. The Bye Bye Under Eye one, I guess it was it's melted with my skin temp, like my body temperature. It just like the whole formula kind of like changes, whereas I have it on, whereas when I used it for my eyeshadow, I used it on aluminum foil. I put it on aluminum foil, then my eye, and the texture on the aluminum foil is still rather thick and tacky, whereas I put it on my hand for my body temperature to kind of warm it up and make it a little bit more pliable, and that kind of has translated to some wonky application, whereas the Revolution Pro kept its tackiness, kept its texture, kept its like, I don't know what to call it, but I am getting like a lot more good vibes from the Revolution Pro side. I'm going to finish the rest of my face with bronzer, blush, highlight, and underneath my eyes and come back for some final thoughts. As far as them being dupes for each other, it's looking like it's pretty good to go, seeing as how both of them are claiming to do the same thing with being waterproof, anti-aging, collagen, hyaluronic acid, antioxidants, peptides, all that jazz. So let me finish my face and come back for some final thoughts. Okay, so makeup finished. I am still having some trouble with the IT Cosmetics side. It just doesn't look set in real life. I know this like might not be picking up across camera. I'm just trying to like tell you like what it looks like in real life, and it just doesn't look set. I did use some setting spray, and I should have used it before I put my mascara on, because now I have some mascara on my face. It just doesn't look set, and it looks like textured, and you can like see it, and it like almost makes it more pronounced, and I'm just not really feeling it. I didn't talk about these products as I was putting them on, so let me talk about these products a little bit, at least from what the website says. The Makeup Revolution, or the Revolution Pro side, says, makeup that does more. The Revolution Pro Ultimate Coverage Crease-Proof Concealer is highly pigmented to offer full coverage. Infused with hyaluronic acid, collagen, antioxidants, and peptides to care for skin. Crease-proof, waterproof, and stretchable, this concealer moves with your face for the ultimate coverage whilst still looking natural. And to be honest, that is what I'm getting. I was very skeptical. I thought this was going to be like so heavy and cakey looking, and it wasn't going to look good at all. And honestly, for how much was this? $12? The coverage is real, people. Let's talk a little bit about Bye Bye Under Eye side. It says, developed with plastic surgeons. IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer is your #1 best-selling under eye concealer for dark circles, dark spots, and more. It provides flawless full coverage for up to 24 hours and comes in 48 shades. Highly pigmented full coverage concealer covers everything without creasing or cracking, infused with proprietary expression-proof technology, peptides, antioxidants, hydrolyzed collagen, hyaluronic acid, and vitamins, improves the appearance of wrinkles and effectively conceals the look of skin imperfections, including dark circles, bags, skin redness, hyperpigmentation, broken capillaries, age spots, and other types of skin discoloration, all-day wear, 24-hour coverage, humidity-proof and waterproof, suitable for all skin types, even sensitive skin. So they both have a lot of the same claims in terms of ingredients, waterproof, 24-hour wear. It's just, in my opinion, like, the Makeup Revolution side is doing a lot better. So do I say that these are dupes for each other? 100%. If you are having trouble with the Bye Bye Under Eye, like I am, try the Makeup Revolution or the Revolution Pro Ultimate Coverage Crease Proof Concealer. Honestly, you might have better luck, and or if $27 for the Bye Bye Under Eye is just a little too much for your budget currently, the Revolution Pro Ultimate Coverage Crease Proof Concealer is a exact alternative for it. Like 100% exact alternative for it. And who knows, maybe if I had like a different color, maybe light is a little too light for me, but I don't really think it's like that crazy. I'm just not digging the Bye Bye Under Eye side. Maybe I'm not applying it right, or maybe like it's user error. So if you are like a diehard Bye Bye Under Eye fan, please leave your tips and tricks in the comment section below. I don't know, maybe it's user error. I don't know. So that was the video. This is the look. I will link all of the products down in the description box below. The 2 concealers from Revolution Pro and IT Cosmetics, as well as all of the products that I'm using on my face. I will link it down in the description box below so you can check them out on your own time. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big old thumbs up. Let me know all of your thoughts in the comment section. Have you tried the Revolution Pro concealer? Have you used the IT Bye Bye Under Eye concealer? Please let me know what your thoughts are on these concealers. If you have any tips, tricks for application. Did you like this dupe? Do you like dupes? Let me know all of that in the comment section. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on another review, tutorial, or dupe. Thanks so much for watching, guys.